As you will see, I mentioned 3 notifications. One under CRPC, where the power search, seizure, and border security force. The other refers to the power of border security force to infiltrating persons who are found in the vicinity of border or in our area of jurisdiction. Who have violated passport entry into India. Quarter.
এই মুহূর্তে আমরা সরাসরি রয়েছি বিএসএফ এর সাংবাদিক বৈঠকে।
In law and order situation is not at all correct. If there is any misgiving, any apprehension in this regard, I would like to clear that in this meeting. As before, we will continue to function in complete synergy with the state police and other law enforcement agencies. And as I mentioned, we have a wonderful relationship and we have a very cordial relationship with all the law enforcement agencies. If any of you have any question in this regard, you are most welcome.
So the apprehension which has been raised by the state of West Bengal essentially indicate that the conduct of BSF has been torturous. That's the word they have used in the floor of the assembly. The reason why they are apprehensive in this extension of the jurisdiction, they are saying that they have used words like women are inappropriately touched in the name of frisking, and also there had been firing without any warning. So giving more jurisdiction would invite more trouble for the common villagers who certainly don't understand your language. How do you respond to these allegations of your misconduct?
Border Security Force is a disciplined force, and in Border Security Force Act we have a very powerful act. Any act of indiscipline, any act of misdemeanor is not taken lightly. Inquiries are conducted, and wherever any misdemeanor is proved, stringent action is taken. We have a functional democracy in our country. CRPC has given power to the local police to register FIR. Whenever such incident takes place, not only we conduct our inquiries, wherever a criminal offence is made out, we also go and report to the police for registration of FIR and for initiation of criminal action. This right is available to anyone who alleges against security force, whatever the nature of security force may be. I can assure you, we have a zero tolerance policy in such matters. This is taken very, very seriously, and we are committed to it.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, yesterday, Trinamool Congress MLA has leveled allegations against the force that during border crossing, when the people are coming back again into the Indian territory, the checking and frisking takes place by BSF Jawans. That is the time when male Jawans are frisking women and inappropriately touching them. Do you have enough female personnel there at the border to frisk women?
We have about 4,000 women personnel, Mahila Seema Praharis deployed under Eastern Command. Mainly they are deployed at the border for manning different gates through which people are allowed to go ahead of the fence. In number of locations CCTV has been installed and we are in the process of, in time to come, to install CCTV at all the gates, entry gates that are there. It is unfortunate that this kind of allegations are being made, and as I said earlier, if someone says that he or she is aggrieved in this regard, the forums are available where grievance redressal is available, both within the border security force also and outside in the form of local police station and our judicial system as well.
So I have two questions. One is Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla was here in Kolkata. He held a meeting. BSF was a part of that meeting. If you could just tell us broadly what was discussed and if there were any new steps taken or suggested by the Center for the BSF here in West Bengal. And secondly, with the increase in the jurisdiction now from 15 kilometers to 50 kilometers, how is that going to change the outcome of international border security? And how does the BSF plan to strategize when it comes to increasing, because now you all will be further into the villages. So with the state government already opposing it and there's already a conversation that's built.
Okay, let me clear the last point first, that BSF will be visiting villages. All of you are almost aware that whenever there is any need for us to conduct any operation in hinterland, as far as possible we inform the local police and we take their rep along with us. This is a standard practice. I am leaving aside a few cases of hot pursuit where this may not be possible, but by and large this is the general policy which is followed everywhere. And as I said, we have a very comfortable relationship, functional relationship, day-to-day functioning relationship with the state police. We understand the complications of functioning in hinterland, and we are very much aware, and our troops on the ground are very much sensitized about this, how they have to act, how they have to behave, and how the cooperation of the local police has to be taken, and it is always forthcoming.
So, the meeting with Union Home Secretary